Hi student, this is class 6 reasoning chapter 15. Today I am going to the exercise 15.1. My dear students, whatever the question given in this exercise, they are asking that we have to find out the such pairs that having the same number of letters in this given word and also in the English alphabet. So here in question number 1 their word is written English and we have to find out that how many pairs of the letters are here that having the same number of letters in between them in the word as in the English alphabet. So here the solution is given on the board. You can see on the screen that here first pair is E and I, second is E and G, third is G and I, fourth is N and L. So there are the total 4 such pairs. E and I in this word, between the E and I there are the 3 letters N, G, L are given, and same in the English alphabet F, G, H, that means 3 letters. So here all the things are written on the board and according to that there are the 4 such pairs, so option number D is correct. Same thing we have to do in the question number 2. Here the word is given monkey and here we have to find out the pairs of the letters that having the same number of letter in this word and also in the English alphabet. So here is only one pair O-N. So option B is correct. Similar question is given question number 3. Word is given forehead. Here is only one such pair R and N. 3 alphabets are between them and same in English alphabet. Now in the 4th question the word is given computers. Here are 6 pairs MR, UR, UT, RS and TR and MS that having same number of alphabets in the given word as in English alphabet. You can find out the letters as described in the question number 1. Now going to the question number 5. Word is given Brighton. Here are 3 such pairs GH, IE and IN that having same number of alphabets in the given word as in English alphabet. Now question number 6. Here word is given credible. Here are more than 3 such pairs like CE, EB, ED and BD. So that having same number of alphabets as in English alphabet. Now the question number 7. Here word is given flashlight. Here are 2 such pairs GH and LT are given that having same number of alphabets in the given word as in the English alphabet. Now going to the question number 8. Word is given break. Here are no such pair, so option C is correct. Now going to the question number 9. Word is given environment. Here are 4 such pairs are given ON, OM, EN, OT that having same number of alphabets as in English alphabet. Now finally going to the question number 10. Word is given bonding. Here are 3 such pairs ON, DG, IG that having same number of alphabets in the word as in the English alphabet. Now my dear students, I am going to the exercise 15.2. In this exercise, in all the questions, there are the 4 words are given and we have to identify that which word will come in last according to the English dictionary. So here in the first question, there are the 4 words are given urine, unite, union and under. So as we are watching that B, C and D option, there are the first 2 letters are same UN, UN, UN. But in the option number A, there are the first letter is same, second is given R. So as according to the English alphabet, R will come in last. So simply we can say that this word will come in last. So that means we can say that the option A is correct. In the question number 2, there the 4 words are given, all having the first letter T, T, T. Second letter is given R, O, W and again R. So as we are watching that W will come in last, so word twin will be the last word. Now in the question number 3rd, here all the 4 words having the first letter W, second is E, third is first having I, then B, then E, then E. So that means I will be the last, so word wait will be the last. Now going to the question number 4. Here 4 words are given template, tempt, tempu and temple. So here first letter is given T, second is E, and third letter is given M. After that, fourth letter is also same, P. Then fifth letter is given L, T, O, then L. So according to the English alphabet, T will come in last. So word tempt will be the last. Now going to the question number 5. Here 4 words are given. First letter are same. Second letter is given W, U, R, W. So option A and D have the same letter, and third letter in option A and D are same. So fourth letter we have to check, that is given G and B. As we know that G will come after the B, so word swag will be the last. Now going to the 6th question. Here 4 words are given. First and second letters are same in all the words, and third letter are IE. So I will be after E, so we have to check the fourth letter in option A and C are E and M. As we know that M will be after E, so word prime will be the last. Now going to the 7th question. Here the 4 words are again given, and first letter are same, second letter are given Y, U. So as we know that 3 having the same letter, 1 having option A having the Y as a second letter, so Y will be the last, so word lycra will be the last. Now I am going to the question number 8. Again 4 words are given whose first 2 letters are same. Third letter is given PP, MP. P will be after M. So fourth letter we have to check, because here 3 words having the P. So fourth letter is given E, L, U, A. Here U will be the last. So word immune will be the last word. Now I am going to the question number 9. Here again 4 words are given whose first letter are same. Now second letter are given U, R. So U will be the last. So word guard will be the last. Similarly going to the question number 10. Here in the 4 words first 2 letters are same, and second letters are UO. As U will be after O, so check third letter. Third letter in option A and C, that are given M and G. As we know that M will be the after G, so word drum will be the last. Now in question number 11. First letter is same, second letter is given A, E. Check third letter in option B, C and D. So their third letter is given C, I, L, A. So L will be the last, so word fellow will be the last. Now going to the question number 12. Here first 3 letters are same. So we have to check the fourth letter. Fourth letter is given L, I, A. So L will be the last. So word implant will be the last. Now going to the question number 13. Here in these 4 words, first 2 letters are same. Then we have to check the third letter, that are given R and N. So R comes after N. So check fourth letter in option A and B. Fourth letter in option A and B, that is given L and B. So L comes after B. So word fall will be the last. Now going to the question number 14. Here again the 4 words are given. Here in all words first 2 letters are same. Then third letter is given STQO. So as we know that T will be the last, so word inter will be the last. Now going to the question number 15. Here in all the words first 2 letters are same. Third letter are given E, N, L. L comes last, so check letter. Fourth letter in option C and D. Fourth letter in option C and D, that is given O and T. As we know that T comes after O, so word melt will be the last. As all questions having the same pattern, so here question number 16 to 20 I am skipping for your practice. So do these sums by yourself. Thank you. Take care.